Hey there, I'm Elisa, and today we're diving into two of the most powerful tools in modern software development, Docker and Kubernetes. By the end of this, you'll actually understand what they do and why everyone talks about them. Imagine you build an app on your laptop. It works perfectly, but when you deploy it to a server, it crashes. Sound familiar? The classic "it works on my machine" problem. This is exactly what Docker was built to solve. Docker lets you package your application, along with everything it needs to run, the code, the runtime, the libraries, and config, into a single unit called a container. Think of it like a shipping container. Whatever's inside stays exactly the same, no matter where you ship it. Unlike virtual machines, Docker containers don't carry a full operating system. They share the host OS kernel. This makes them incredibly lightweight. A VM might take minutes to boot. A Docker container? Seconds or less. Here's how it works in practice. You write a Dockerfile, a simple text file with instructions. Docker reads it and builds an image. You then run that image and it becomes a live container. Write once, run anywhere. That's the Docker promise. Now, Docker is great, but in production, you're not running one container. You're running hundreds, maybe thousands. How do you manage all of them? How do you keep them running when one crashes? That's where Kubernetes comes in. Kubernetes, often called K8s, is an open-source container orchestration platform originally built by Google. It automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It keeps everything running smoothly. Kubernetes organizes containers into pods, the smallest unit. Pods run on nodes, which are your machines. All nodes together form a cluster. Kubernetes watches this cluster, and if a pod crashes, it automatically restarts it. If traffic spikes, it scales up. It's self-healing and intelligent. So, to summarize, Docker packages your application into containers. Kubernetes orchestrates and manages those containers at scale. They're not competitors, they're partners. Docker builds the boxes. Kubernetes decides where they go and how many run. And that's Docker and Kubernetes in under 2 minutes. If you want to go deeper, let me know in the comments. I'm Elisa. See you next time.